Hello everyone, and this is my concentration app, and in this video I'll be talking about the characteristics of this app and tell you that show you that how this app is very successful. So when you open this app, you'll be in the login screen, and then it will ask for username and password. But since I don't have an account, I'll just type register. So ask for username, your confirmed username, your password, and your confirmed password. So let me just type that down. Mark, and then password would be Lee as my last name. But if so, the code or the program checks if your username matches your confirmed username as well as the password matching with the confirmed password. So if the confirmed password is not identical, then it will show this values do not match. But if they do, you'll be back into the login screen. So let me just log in, and then the code also applies for login. So if it's invalid, it will say incorrect login. But if your login is successful, you will be in the main screen of this application which you logged in. So in this application, it will give you a few options to do. So it will be like introduction, tasks, avatar, scheduling, references, and logout. So there's a variety to choose from, but I'm going to start with introduction. So in this introduction, we talk about the introduction of this app, and it shows that this app helps students to manage their tasks and schedule and makes it fun along the way. We use Pokemon Charmander as the avatar that will evolve and level up every time the user finishes a certain number of tasks. With this, the user can be more motivated in their learning. I hope this app will help you. So as you can see at the bottom of the screen, there's the go back to main button, and if you press it, it will go back to the screen in which you were in, as you can see from here. So the second button is task. Let me tap on it. So it will so I already did this for example, but it will ask you to enter a task. Let me just do Chinese homework, and then you submit it, and then after you submit it, the task will be displayed at the bottom, and then it will stay there until you press it, which means you complete it. As you can see, I'm pressing it, and then you go back to main to go back to the main page again. And now, as you can see, it's an avatar. It will show you a baby Charmander, and then it progressively evolves and levels up as you complete more tasks. So for example, if I completed 10 tasks and then just wait, as you need to go back to main. This app always crashes, but I guess it's the MIT's problem. I don't think it's my code itself. So as you can see from go back to main, see it works, but sometimes it crashes a lot of times. So if you completed, I don't know, 10, if you completed like 10 tasks, as you can see from bottom, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then you go back to main, and then you see back your avatar. Your avatar basically evolves into Charmeleon, and then level 2, and it progressively adds on. So if you want to unlock or evolve and level up your Pokemon, then you have to do more tasks. So let's move on. It's probably gonna crash again. As you can see here, it keeps stopping. But if I go back again and log in, I don't think that this is a huge problem for the app, but obviously this is not my problem. I did not make this app. I did not make it like that. I only coded it, so I feel like it should be alright. So the next one is scheduling. Scheduling, as you can see, you find a save, select date, load, reset week, clear. So for example, if I do want us to Wednesday, and then in that I have a chem test. So basically I'll save it and download it, and as you can see from the bottom, it will show chem test. Then I do one for Friday. I'll do I don't know, Chinese test. I save and load it. It will see as Friday I have a Chinese test. And then if I go back to Wednesday and then load it, it will still be the same chem test. So if I want to delete it and say, oh, that passed, I'll just press clear, so that day will be done, but not this day. Oh, it would just basically clear everything, as you can see from there. So reset week would do the same. I don't know, homework, save, load, and then Monday, he save, load, it will submit, and then if I do reset week, it will ask, do you wish to do this? And I say yes. Basically, your whole week is reset it, as you can see from here. So if you just go back to main again, it would be that, and the references, which is like basically the last screen. It will show you how I created this app and the YouTube videos that I watched for me to create this app. So like I recommend you to watch these videos because these actually really helped me. And then yeah, it's really useful. So go back to main again. And then the last but not least, log out, which basically takes you back to the screen where you were, which is the login. So in this app, this is very useful because it basically motivates the students, and I feel like this app is very successful because I coded it, and each step is very correct. But I feel like the only problem we have is like the MIT doesn't load properly and it always crashes. So that is something that MIT can do, and I don't think I haven't. It's impacted to me, but I can't really change it from that. So I don't. So yeah. So in the end, this is basically my concentration app, and then I hope you enjoy this. Thank you.